thunderstorm reported with a temperature of 56. Once again, at Indianapolis, it was 48 degrees with heavy rain.
This is no oil hazards, radio KC-74 in Indianapolis.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Indianapolis area. Rest of today, chance of rain showers late in the morning, then rain showers, and isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s. Southeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tonight, rain showers and isolated thunderstorms until midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds until midnight. Lows in the lower 40s. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour until midnight. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Wednesday, breezy, colder. Partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. Temperature steady or slowly falling in the afternoon. Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Wednesday night, colder. Mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the mid-30s. West winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Saturday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the mid-40s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows around 30. Sunday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Monday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain, possibly mixed with snow. In the lower 40s. Again, the forecast for the Indianapolis area for rest of today. Chance of rain showers late in the morning, then rain showers, and isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s. Southeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour.
What's up, guys? Super Duckman 24 here. I was cleaning my room and I saw a flash, and I honestly could not tell if it was me blinking or if it was lightning. But shortly thereafter, we had a huge clap of thunder. So we've had storms in the past. I don't know if I should call this the first official thunderstorm of 2016. In my books, the first official thunderstorm would have to be a continuous storm with lots of lightning and thunder. But this, on Groundhog's Day, on February 2nd, 2016, we got a clap of thunder, and it was loud. I actually cracked open my window because I'm cleaning my room, like I said, so I needed a little airflow because it gets dusty up in here. So anyways, I had it open and I was cleaning around one of my windows and I saw this flash. And I thought I blinked, so I just walked over by the window, waited, and then like a couple seconds. The heck? No, it's a cleaning truck. Anyways, there was a loud clap of thunder. So I'm gonna let the camera go, see if we get any more thunder. Hopefully we do. I'm doing a time lapse of the clouds. Hopefully we can get some good footage of that. Once the Bluebird All-American goes by, I am going to stop. Unfortunately, it's not warm enough yet for storms. They're saying it's 48, and I don't know how warm it has to be for like real good storms to form. I know I should know this, but I don't. I had my weather radio going because I wanted to see what they were saying. Because that was a good clap of thunder too. I mean, it wasn't just a rumble. I mean, it was loud. So anyways, I'll be on standby for most of the day and into the night. I don't know if you get the forecast, but they were saying that it's supposed to near 100% chance of rain and isolated thunderstorms all day and going into the evening. So I am on standby. Might need to turn my weather radio alerter off since I keep my door open so I don't wake my parents up when they go to bed. I've had the alerter on since December and it has not gone off. In fact, my weather radio says check OB, which means check operator's manual, because there hasn't been any warnings because I think something's wrong. I mean, they even haven't done the weekly required test on this thing in like forever, it feels like. So, anywho, like I said, when that Bluebird bus goes by, which is in about a couple minutes, I'm going to go ahead and stop and turn my music back on, finish cleaning my bedroom, which I am going to be making a video of me, like, really cleaning the carpet. Is the sun coming out? Or is that just the reflection from the light, from the outside? Or do we like legit have sunlight coming in? I honestly can't tell. I think it's just the light coming in from outside. This fades me out because it's reflecting off of my bed. Like you can see the shadow of my bed, which I thought it was sunlight, but it's not. I don't think it's too cloudy. I mean, it was just like legit before I started recording, pouring down rain. Like, it looked like the water park I was at. Like, it looked like one of those little water things. It was coming down in full force. Do we have anything? Come on, give me something. Give me a flash or a thunderclap for the camera. Nothing. Nothing. Well, I don't know what to say. Oh, we got sunlight. This time I know we got sunlight. And it's gone. Okay, let's try that. See if it works. Get a new weather sensor. Darn it, truck! I thought that was thunder. Sounds like a Dixie chopper, though. It does. It does sound like a Dixie chopper. Weird. Okay. Anything, darn it. Thought we had a thunder clap coming. We got a burp coming. Get these like random like points where it just starts pouring down rain and then it just stops. So I don't know what to tell you. We did have a clap of thunder about 30 minutes ago. I was cleaning, I just saw the flash and then I heard the thunder. But I honestly don't know if audience will be able to get it or not. They say it's supposed to be heavy rain with isolated thunderstorms. I don't know if we're gonna get anything, any thunderstorms or not. I'm just cleaning out my bedroom for the first, like, really cleaning it out for the first time in forever. I'm like a little red tornado. I leave mess wherever I go. Oh, that's someone working. And see, this is basically what it's been doing. It pours down rain for a good couple of seconds, or maybe a couple minutes. Then it stops. Now I can't even tell if it's raining or not. I don't think it is. But again, I've been wrong, like, on things like that before. Anyway, it does it and then it just stops. As if nothing ever happened. So, I don't know. But we did have a clap of thunder and a reported lightning strike, which could very well mean lightning in the area. This says lightning strike sometimes. So we did have our first lightning strike for 2016. But as far as the first official thunderstorm, that's a definite no. For me, the first official thunderstorm has to be a good solid couple of minutes of nothing but lightning and thunder, or something like that. If it doesn't do that, then I can't call it a thunderstorm yet of 2016. Not to say that we're not going to get one, as they say it's not soon enough, or it's too early or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, we're having this high pressure warm front come through Indiana right now, and it's been unseasonably warm here. Usually we have highs in the 40s. We've been having highs in the 50s, maybe, and supposedly having record high temperature And they're saying potentially severe weather today, so as this cold front comes through, we might end up getting a thunderstorm tonight or not. We may even have our first thunderstorm in 2016 tonight. I don't know. It's up to Mother Nature and what she decides. I just go by what she goes with, so we could, who knows. But for right now, we have nothing. Now the clouds are looking awfully ominous. I don't know, I'm doing a time lapse of the clouds, but I haven't pointed more at some of the sky, but also the trees, because they're saying along with this cold front coming through, we're supposed to get gusty winds, so I wanted to get the trees moving, and I also kind of aimed it down so you could see the house, so you know when it was raining, because sometimes it's hard to tell if it starts raining or not, because I don't know how well that comes through on a 3DS camera lens. Well, I'm going to go ahead and stop the camera, because I don't think we're going to get any thunder. Watch, as soon as I stop, we get like this huge thunderclap. Okay, well, that's all I got now, guys. Peace out. Mean, look at the sky. Potential thunderstorm? I have no idea. Actually, yeah, potential thunderstorm. We just had a clap of thunder. Sweet. Let's see if we get another one.
What's up everyone, SuperDuckman24 here. I'm on the Sony non-HD camera right now. We have a little mini rainstorm, I guess you can call it. I'm not calling it a thunderstorm yet. Hang on one sec. Chloe and Elizabeth seem excited. Here's what we got. And supposedly a little wave might hit us again. I'm not sure about that though. Okay, so it is February 2nd, day after my birthday. I'm now 20 years old. We have a warm front coming through. It's supposed to get really cold again. We were supposed to have record high temperatures today. We've been getting thunderclaps all throughout the afternoon. I just heard one about maybe 5 minutes ago, and that would be the third one of today. The winds have been really high. I'm doing a time lapse, and let's see what I'm dinging about. Oh, nothing. Okay, let's see the flag. The SD card is in my 3DS right now. I'm using that to take the time lapse, and I'm using the battery to power this camera. They said we may get a rumble or thunder or two. Oh wow. Holy crap. Listen to that wind. Oh man. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. Feel the rain moving across the street if you can see it. Was that a rumble of thunder? It was. That was a rumble of thunder. Sweet. We just got thunder on camera. Okay, I tightened a screw on the flag post so it will stay on. Now you can't really see it, but the sky is really looking dark in some spots and it looks light in the other. So we may be getting a lightning strike here, or a lightning flash or something. Listen to that wind. That is not a car, that's the wind you're hearing. When the cat's watching me, see what the heck I'm doing. There's my Great Wolf Lodge ball that I got. Let's go out to the porch, see what we can see there. Plus that way I won't wake up my parents. Back Elizabeth. There we go. There's my feet. Still saying we have light rain. Look at that. I have rain on the lens. We may still get hit by it. The pressure is going down. Look at all that. Oh, never mind. That's the past 5 hours. It's almost 9 o'clock here. I haven't even had dinner yet. Okay. This door is a lot easier to unlock, and it's not as loud. And you also have windows. And you can see more, frankly. Gotta love the smell of wood. Now the water's actually receded. We've had so much rain. We had a lot of rain and snow. I mean, you could literally, when it was cold, you could literally see the snow, or no, ice. Like where the common area floods, you could literally see the ice and snow. Like, we could see the ice because it would freeze in the spots in the common area. And the snow made it, like, really obvious. Like, even when the snow melted, when it got below freezing, you could see the ice spots. And there was a lot of them. I got curious kittens wanting to come out. So we've had 4 lightning or thunder claps now. The last one was a rumble, but still. 3 have been really loud. 2 were during the day. 1 was real recent. Unfortunately, I tried to record to see if we could get another one. I ended up wasting a bunch of space on my phone of nothing. It's been doing this all day where it rains for a really good chunk of time, and then it maybe thunders once or twice, and then it just stops. Oh my gosh, look at I got some long grass. I don't know, can we do this? I don't even know if it'll even focus. I can't even see it, but I got some long grass. If you remember my doing yard work video last year that I have to trim down each spring, and it's bits and pieces that are strewn all throughout the yard from the wind. Holy crap. Night vision's not really helping right now. These tree branches are just swaying. I wouldn't be surprised if one of the bird feeders flies off. All this water makes me have to pee. Of course. So I'm going to set the camera down, pointed at the window. If we do get any thunderclaps, we'll be able to hear it. So I'm gonna stop this segment, start another one. I'm gonna use editor, but yeah, here we go. Okay, we got a lightning flash. I saw it when I was watching the radar. I also got a text from my friend saying that they were recording this. As soon as I find out which YouTube channel it's going up on, I will let you guys know. But man, when I was in the bathroom, I could hear the wind and the rain. So, man, see if I can get a good Wi-Fi signal out here. I'll try to show you the radar map on my cell phone. Here we go. We're gonna go with the NOAA weather app first, and then I'll show you the other one. I got a cat that wants to come out. Okay, so here's my okay, shut up. There's my current location. You can kind of see where we are. You can see the red and the yellow. We got like tornado watches and severe thunderstorm stuff. So bear with me here. I'm trying to. Okay, yeah, get out of the way. We also got like a blizzard stuff. So you can see that little band right there coming. Whether it's going to hit us, I don't know. But the blue dot is us. That's what we're going with. This is what the Radar Pro has, and this one has winds and stuff. So give it a second to load. Look at that. Oops. Where are we? Yeah, we're the blue dot right there. See the winds. Might turn the radar off, just do the winds. HD. I hear possible thunder. I don't know. Just go for right now. Okay, I've turned the radar down. There's the winds to show you how windy it is. But look up in Chicago. Look at the winds there. That's just crazy. Okay, now I'm going to turn the high def back on. This has been over the past 90 minutes, by the way. Okay. There we go. So, it kind of shows you what's going on here. Here's Lazy Eye Cat, that's Chloe. She wants to come out with me. Thing is, I'd rather not have to keep an eye on her, because if I go in and I forget her, she'll be out here all night, which would not be good, and I don't want that to happen. Plus, if I open the door, I don't want them to slip out. I highly doubt they'd go far, but still. They're a pain in the butt to wrangle sometimes. Man, I can feel the wind blowing through the crack between the floor and the door. Floor door. Whoa. Yep. See where my foot is? A little crack right there. I can feel the wind blowing. Shows you how intense the wind is. I can't tell if it's raining though. Well, yeah, it's raining. And this is not like my GoPro. This is a nice camera. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go and check the radar, see if there's any watches or warnings. So I'll be right back. Excuse me. I'm gonna do another audio session, see if we get some more thunder and lightning. Okay guys, it looks like the storm is dying down, or rain shower, whatever you want to call it. I honestly do not think I can call this the first official storm of 2016 because there simply wasn't enough thunder and lightning in this to be an official thunderstorm in 2016. So and judging by the temperatures, it looks like we will not be having one in the next 5 days as temperatures drop back down into the 40s and 30s. So, yeah.